we are now going to focus on getting this information and printing it below. As we enter it and click submit, you must take all this information, print it below the screen. So we go back to that. We're saying this is our information. Cool. But we need to receive this information, put it in variables, then decide where we want to print the information in our form. So in this case, we're going to go to the end of the form. We're going to start PHP text there. So PHP text says this is now a PHP blog. We need to put all the PHP information here. In this case, the first thing you need to do is to make sure that the form has been submitted by putting this up. If that array has something, then you make sure you used the post. If you used get, you still do the same. Then we save that. Say else print the form has not been submitted yet. Save that. Then it can take the same thing and put it inside that, and you say the form has now been submitted. Then let's go to that. When you enter the address, it says the form has not been submitted yet. When we submit, it says the form has now been submitted. We go to the address, we enter the address, not submitted yet. We submit the form has now been submitted. This tells you now that there's a control that checks. This avoids that this thing, when you submit it, when you enter the form, it's not supposed to just process it without it being submitted. That's why you put the control to check if the form has been submitted or not. So now that we've checked and it works well, we can remove these controls. We can remove this if and else. That's it. So that is how we check if a form has been submitted or not. Next time we continue and focus more on collecting the information from the form and validating it and doing other stuff.